Today, let's check out this eyeshadow palette from a brand called Vanity Makeup, the signature palette. I haven't even opened it, but I've been waiting for this palette for so long because of the COVID international shipping interruptions. I waited for so many months just to get this palette. And I heard a lot of good things about it. Let's check out on this video. I think you can get this palette on Sephora, but it's not on Chinese or Asian Sephora website, so I need to get it in a different resource. I was just waited for so long. Oh, it is a heavy eyeshadow palette. Heavy. It is, oh my god. When you open it, I really like this cover's color. It made it so luxury and unique that the cover color is like perfect skin nude color. It is so pretty. And see the details. It is quite expensive palette though, but I think when you actually hold this palette in hand, you do feel the luxury in your hand. Let's open. That's all the colors. There are 12 colors in there. They're actually quite a big size. I've seen these swatches online, and I will insert a full swatch later on, but now that's just pick a couple of the colors. I will pick two matte, one the darkest, one the more brighter color, and I will just randomly pick two shimmer colors as well. When you touch it, it is very fine. And let's see the first color. Oh, wow. It is very smooth. The pigment, it is really good. And let me see the details. It is very even. Ignore this part here. I just try to see how much this one can actually extend it. But have a look this side. It is very even. Very even. Oh. Just by one swipe. It is very, very good quality of the powder. And when you touch the matte color, you feel fairly dry, but when you actually swipe on the hand, it is just so smooth. This is the shimmer color. Oh wow. Oh, this one I like it. Oh my god. This shimmer color, there are so much details in there, people. There's so much details in there. Not only about it is like a see-through base color, but full of so fine dust glitters in there. Oh, this is a nice one. Let me swatch a colored shimmer color. Oh. This one can be metallic. Wow. Oh, this pigment is really good. And I'm also interested in this color. Let's just see. Whoa. Oh wow. This shimmer color is just so melt into your skin. It become like a how to say, part of your skin rather than stay on the surface. It's just so nice. I think that's why it charges more as well. It's quite expensive. But I have to say, based on the first impression, based on the swatches, so far so good. And here I will insert a full swatch of this palette. By looking at the pigmentation, I'm actually interested in just to compare this with Natasha Denona. Let me see from this palette, the one I've got here. Let's compare one matte color and one shimmer color. Let me find a close color. I know there are different colors, but I just want to see the formulation difference. This one is from Natasha Denona and this one is from the Vanity makeup. I think there's small difference. Natasha Denona is more like a sheen with less amount of glitters, but Vanity makeup, although it has a slightly like dust, the sparkle in there, but it is also very, very fine. But the reflection, you see the difference. This is more towards a sheen, like smooth sheen, and this is like sheen base plus a little bit of sparkle. Maybe I'll compare to wrong colors, but hey, we're not professional. That's what we would do anyway. The pigmentation seems very similar. Natasha Denona compared to the Vanity one. Let me choose a similar one from here. As the color are not identical, so I would just say two of them, the pigmentation, the matte light color performance are very similar from the hand swatch. You know what? Let me also grab Huda Beauty, who's also famous for its formulation as well as the pigmentation. I'll use this one, just grab a color. Let's grab a similar color here. Three of them are similar. This is Huda Beauty, Vanity Makeup, and Natasha Denona. They are actually very, very similar. If you say those three colors are from same palette, I would believe it, because the formulation and the swatches, the pigmentation and the feel of touching the powders, three of them are 95% similar. I'm not saying the colors, the formulation and the performance. Okay, let's use this palette on the eye. Let's start from the lightest color. Okay, that's a two-way, kind of my tradition eye look. Let's see how this performs on the eye. Use the lightest color again, just evened up your skin colors on the eyelid, although I did prep my eyelid. I have to say the pigment is stronger than I expected. Even the lightest color is pretty much kind of brighten up the area if you compare the skin color. There's two difference. Same, clean the under eye area, use the same color. There are small fallout, very minimal. And let's use this color, which is more like earthy brown color, light-handed, as the pigment is fairly strong. And that start from here, the inner corner. Let's just connect this with the nose contour as well. And let's use this lovely coral orange color. Use a small mat for the out corner as the main color. Oh wow, pigmentation is really good. Let me change to a smaller brush, dip into the same coral orange color, then just add just to build up a little bit more for the out corner. Then use a fluffy brush just to blend it out. Oh wow, it could be way more stronger than I wanted, but hey, same color for the under eye. Oh wow. Then just dip my finger into this lovely shimmer color. Oh wow. This is so pretty. Oh wow. Use a more small brush, dip into this color. Define the fake eye bag a little bit. Then use the same shimmer color to highlight the fake eye bag. Then wet the brush. Dip into the darkest color, use it as a wing out. So guys, I need to get closer to my mirror, so I'll show you the outcome. The pigment is really good. This just by one swipe. This whole liner with the wing are actually just made by the eyeshadow powder. Wow, the pigment is so pretty. And use a even smaller brush, dip into this more like brown burgundy color to gently smudge out the line. See the difference? Then use the same color, smudge out this line. Like that. Let's finish with the lashes. I think today we may need some fake lashes, as it's a quite strong eye look. Oh dear, not really good with fake lashes, but anyway. I really need more practice on fake lashes, but let me zoom you in. This side, see, it's way much better than this side. Oh dear God, but it's very nice eye look. Let's finish the rest of face. I really like this finish. Although the color is fairly strong, but it's so easy to be blended out. There is no patchiness. It's very, very smooth. Oh, this is a very, very good first impression on this Vanity makeup. This eyeshadow palette is a thumb up from me. Definitely, definitely a thumb up. And the color itself is so easy to create. A sexy smoky color, can be very bold, eye-catching. It's so lovely colors. They have a good transition color, main color, dark color, and they have lightened color mixed with all selection of shimmery colors. This palette can create so many different eye looks. I can also imagine to use this eyeshadow palette on daily basis as well. Although the color is strong, but you don't need to use all these colors. You can just mix one or two or maximum three, can create a natural daily wearable eye look. So leave your comments down below if you want to see another eye look tutorial, like more hashtag daily wearable natural eye look. Do leave your comments down below. I'll be happy to use this palette again and to create a different look with you guys. Hope you liked today's video and hope you enjoy. If you do click the thumb up button, and most importantly to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video.